and I hear the rolling thunder. Thy power throughout the universe display. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. Sing with me, say, how great thou art. Oh, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. Oh, how great thou art. How great thou art. How great thou art. How great. You make my life so beautiful. I know what he has done for me. And as you are, you have made me here on earth. There's nothing greater. There's nothing sweeter. That's why I love you forevermore. You make my life so beautiful. Agunechemba, Onyamamele. And as you are, you have made me a wonder to my generation. Hey, there's nothing greater. There's nothing greater than this. That's why I love you forever. Before you bounce, can I hear the church? You make my life. You say, you make my life. And as you are, and as you are, there's nothing greater. If you can remember where he has brought you from, you will understand the message of the song. I know what he has done for me. You say, you make my life so beautiful. Oh, oh, oh. And as you are, you have made me here on earth. There's nothing greater. There's nothing greater than thee. Oh, Chadula Bawono. My God, my God. Say, I want more. Your hands, lift your voice and cry. Oh, Jesus. Oh, the more I want to know. That's what I can say. Baba, open the heavens over me. Baba, open the heavens. Oh, the city. Baba, open the heavens over me. Oh, Jesus, Baba, open the heavens over me. or not?